Hello, tour markers. I like to accomplish or to obtain high polished finishes on pieces that I make. So I'm doing a series of tests with aluminum, brass, and bronze. And I designed these 6 small pieces that you can see that look like little saddles. And I'm using the SprutCAM Finish options on various parts. Plain, drive, optimized, plain, complex, and combine. As you can see there. I'm using the same roughing operations for each of the 3/8, 1/4, and 3/16 flat end mills. And this is a 3/8 inch, just a partial image of each one. And 1/4 inch end mill now. And I'll progress to the 3/16 end mill. Then the finish operations will start. The first one is the plane, which basically goes from left to right in one direction. This is using a 1/8 inch end mill at 0.005 steps. And you can see them there. You saw the simulation, the SprutCAM simulation, and this is a partial of the milling. And these are the results. You can see at the front as the steps are visible. On the top, it's pretty good. I guess the horizontal steps can't get any better. Part 2 is the drive operation, which kind of goes around in circles. You saw the simulation. This is the milling now. And this is the result. It's a little bit better than the first one, especially at the front steep face. It looks pretty good. Test number 3 is the optimized plane, and this one basically does 2 plane operations in one direction for the first or the top 45-degree angled surfaces, and does a perpendicular operation for the bottom or the lower 45-degree surfaces. This one came out quite poorly, as you can see. Don't know why, but that's what these tests are for, to see which ones come out better. Test number 4 is the complex. It also has 2 operations. The first one is just like the other one. It's a plane operation for the top 45-degree surface angle or surface slope. And the second one are waterline operations pretty much on the lower 45-degree surface slopes or steeper surface slopes. And this one, the top plane operation is pretty poor. It's not very nice at all. The bottom waterline type operation is quite good. Part 5 is a combine operation, which is a one operation. It kind of winds around the multiple geometries. And again, in all these operations, I'm using the same tool, 1/8 inch end mill and 0.005 steps. And this one is quite good for a single operation. It's the best one so far. Has little scars here and there when the tool passes over previously milled parts. Test 6 is plane operations. I did the same operation 3 times. The plane operation in one direction, as you can see here. Another equal plane operation, but at 60 degrees to the first one. And a third plane operation at 120 degrees to the first one. Since these are basically the second and third are going over previously milled areas, they're going at 60 inches per minute. Most of the previous ones are at 20 inches per minute. You can see that's pretty good. That's probably the best of these of all of these right now. I did add 3 more operations, which are 7 through 9. The first one was intended to be a combine, but I had and I was going to try to at 60 inches per minute, but I had a tool break, so I had to go back and do a ball rest milling with a 3/16 because the tool broke at the inner part of that cavity there. So this is the milling part. That's 3/16 end mill, shaving the scallop steps down. And now this is the 1/8 inch end mill going at 1,000 step, at a 1,000 steps, and going at 60 inches per minute. And that one is quite good. You can see a little bit of the scars from where the tool broke at the middle there and at the top edge. But other than that, it's quite good. Part number 8 is a combine, just like the previous combine with 1/8 inch end mill, but this time I just did it with a 3/16 end mill at 0.005 steps. And it's pretty good too. It has a little scar at the bottom edge you can see there, but it's not too bad. And the last operation is again a combine, but this time with a 1/4 inch ball end mill. Same 0.005 steps. And that one was pretty good too. So in conclusion, I think the planes, especially when you use multiple operations, were the best, and the combines were the best. Ideally, you want to use the smallest possible steps and the biggest tool that fits the geometry. Thank you.